What are your roles and responsibilities in your job?
I'm Cloud Solution Architect in Data Advanced Analytics and AI on Azure platform. So CSA's responsibility is to drive the high priority customer workload on Azure in collaboration with customer as well as the Microsoft account team. This role is actually the customer facing role. So what it means is you really have to own the entire end-to-end technical relationship with customer. You have to have the deep technology knowledge along with ability to architect those solution to solve those customers business problem end to end, and that way you actually become the trusted advisor. I'm also responsible for creating customer value by accelerating the cloud adoption and by default the cloud consumption as well. When you are doing the architecting the solution, you generally have to have understanding about all the emerging technology and how does that fit well into the customer solution, and that is what is driving the digital disruption along with the transformation strategy.
What are the most important skills for this job?
CSA is the customer facing role, so the most important skill set are actually twofold. One is technical and another one is more oriented towards soft skill. Within the technical, you also have to go broad in different technologies, such as you need to know cloud computing databases, big data technology, NoSQL, Spark, machine learning, advanced analytics, AI, everything. At the same time, you also need to go deeper in few technologies. So in my case, I generally go deeper into machine learning and AI field. Along with the technological knowledge, you also need to have understanding about how cloud governance, security, reliance, scalability, performance, cost optimization, everything work on your cloud platform. Knowing that is just enough, but having understanding about the competitive technology is also really helpful in this job. On the second fold, which is the soft skill side, you need to have the experience in the customer facing role along with success in leading the technical discussions. You generally get in touch with the senior customer executive, enterprise architect, IT management, developers to drive that end-to-end data platform on Azure Cloud.
What advice would you give to someone who's interested in starting out in this field?
In this field, you really have to maintain your technical skill along with the deep knowledge in certain areas. You need to have understanding about the market trends and as well as the competitive insight that we spoke earlier. So it is also better to get the cloud certifications. Amazon offer one. GCP also has a few set of certification as well as the Azure Cloud. So this actually give you the proof of not only your ability to learn, but also showcase that you are really interested in this area, and you can also showcase those certifications on the LinkedIn as well. And about the industry knowledge, I will say try to find out the recent trend in the different industry, like personalization engine in the retail industry, personalized medicine, personalized care, or genomics in healthcare, IoT solutions in the manufacturing area. So try to find out those trends as well as which industry you are more inclined towards, so you can target those specific industries as well. When you want to have the hands-on experience, mainly in that machine learning or AI field, Kaggle is a good place to start, where you can have the problem statement and you can create your own solution that you can put it on your GitHub so that everyone can see your work. Along with that, there are many learning websites like Datacom. Microsoft also have the learning website, so where you can go and train yourself. If you know what industry you're aligned to, then there are industry-specific solutions. If you go and look at the architecture website on Azure, you will see industry-specific solutions as well. So go ahead. You can actually deploy that on your own tenant and try to take a feel of how those solutions look like. You can be more trained on that area.